Finish main input. What next? I add a group. CRM. Okay, now I'm done with that. Now for group policy, you can come here, look for group policy management. Policy management. Let me expand domain. Expand domain. Promised land. Then create a key or a link. New group policy. Click OK. New group policy or default domain. So come here under new group policy. We name it Windows 11 password record. So after that, I'll click on it. I go to edit. If it opens up, I come to computer. Here then policies, Windows security now. Security settings. Come here, account policies. We have password policy. Click password policy. Then I can enter here my own digits, password history, password age. Password age, then put there 90. 90. Okay. For this password, maximum password, and minimum, leave it 30. Let's them password length. Put 13. Okay. Password must meet the requirements to everybody's so that they work. Click here, enable, apply. Okay. Then store a password using reversible encryption. This one, disable it. Okay. Now we navigate to security settings, account lockout policy, to account duration, account template, set to 10 minutes. This is automatic. Now I will go to configure security advanced here, advanced audit policy. Then we have log on events. Log on events, configure it success or apply. So for intern, like for departments like intern, you may require like intern may require a title or custom policies. So you create a new group, can name it intern. What's this? You come here, you come here. Create, name it intern. Intern password policy. Or you can also create for desktop to configure similar settings for custom ones. And link the GeoAuto to after creating this. I enforce it. I can link it. I link an existing OU. That's how you link. What next on the agenda? We have DNS and forward others. So for this, minimize this. You go to tools, then DNS. If you have not installed DNS, you go to manage, add, and the DNS. Click here, you go to forwarders. Forwarders, they are here. Click new zone, create a new zone, set up primary zone, uh, to all DNS in the domain. Next zone, here you type Mistland. 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 Type Mistland. .com. Click OK. Then here click OK, leave it default, finish. That's how you create a primary forward. Then for sorry, already exist. Okay, that's how you create. Then I'll go to the reverse. Again the same way. Reverse same way, new zone. Click next. Primary, which is that. Then here you choose IPv4. You put here the address if given that you create. Then still in DNS for DNS forwarders, still in DNS, and right click here. You come on properties, forwarders tab. You can edit. You add forwarders like that. Edit and verify. You can add it in there. For example, Google 8.8.8.8. Click edit. Yes, it has been verified. Apply. Okay. Then for DNS protection, right click. You can right click your zone. Which zone did I create? Let me see. I created one. You can right click your zone, then select this, and then you select dynamic updates, update zone restriction properties, zone transfer, allow zones like that, enabling DNS login. That's it for DNS. I'll go to another one on the agenda. I think we have PowerPoint and user management. PowerPoint, sorry, not PowerPoint, PowerShell and user management. Now for this one, you can go back. You can use Power. And come here, right click, come to PowerShell to open. Then for this one you can use, let me say you want to create for user management account, you can create using this. You want to create a user, and write a code new dash a d, let's capital D, so d user space dash name . For example, I put Jen Yiga, Jen Yiga, close. So it has created a new user, Jen Yiga. Check here, I confirm. Users and users. Jen Yiga. You see, it has created. That's how you create using PowerPoint, and it can also manage many others. Can modify users, like set a user identity. So I'll go to another instructions and network policy. Okay. So still in PowerShell for remoting, we can use codes like enable PS remoting dash force to enforce, or you can use test slash wsman dash computer name then server1 to test the remote session. So to start the remote session, you can enter dash ps session dash a space dash computer name server, then you put a server in brackets, then confidential, then get confidential to start a remote session. So I'll continue with the next on the agenda. That's the NPS network policy. So for network policy, let me check if I have it. Network policy. I didn't install it, so if you don't have it, you come here, manage, add, click next, server next, here roles, network, policy and access service, click next. Click next, install. Now it's installing. Just wait a little bit. Is installing. Let us wait. It has finished installing. Close. Come in your list. Is it appearing? Network, yet here. Let's go there. So when it opens to show you this interface, then I think I right click here, then register in Active Directorate. That's how you register it. Then I will expand this, and then I right click clients. I had a new, I put a friendly name, let me say VPN sample. I put an IP address, example 92.168.0.128, and I verify it. Is all okay. Then I add in a shared secret, select password, click OK. So I've configured the Radius client. So to create a network policy, you come in NP expand policies here, and then go to network policy, right click, new, and you put the name VPN NNN, for example, click next, add, you add user group, let's add a user group, add groups, let me add as it network, missing as it, was network, yeah, and that group name, and network, I'm forgetting, I think it was network team, network network team, check the name, okay, add groups, this is okay, it has been added. Next, allow access, yes, deny access granted. Next, and here I configure optional times. I think I'll leave that default, then here leave it default. Next, finish. That's how you create a network policy. So that is it. What's next on the agenda? Data protection. Data protection. Data protection. Protection. Yeah, we're studying that. Data protection for it. So for data protection, I think you go mm, this is data protection. So for data protection, there is some, yeah, I remembered. We have backup. So let me go back here. I'll come here on tools, visit tools. I'll open Windows, visit server backup. Yeah, it's here already. The server backup to open up. I click that. Just doing something here. So it has to bring backup once. Then default option customize add items. You can set up, you can use it. So I haven't studied it yet well, but I think that's under data protection. And lastly, performance monitoring. Um, Performance monitoring, logical performance monitoring. This comes measure foot server dashboard. I think it's on research, but let me see. I don't remember. The dashboard, and then click local server. Then under local server, that is what we have. Events review here down. Yeah, remember now in the lab. Events. We have service. Is somewhere. Service. Best practices analyze. Then go to server. Performance. Where is performance? Performance monitor. Performance monitor. Add control. I can add. Then go to processor. Processor. Processor information. Check. I can check memory. So that's how is it for what, for performance. That's the knowledge I know about performance. So thank you. you for listening to me.